excited. I am going to be dyeing my hair today, giving myself a do-it-yourself-at-home balayage. So I do have all these grays that I'm trying to lighten my hair to disguise. And I just honestly went on Google and found the most highly rated, reviewed product for doing it yourself at home, and came upon this Madison reed. Very excited, it's super cute. It comes in a really cute little package, and it has your instructions for you, step by step. So they say it's foolproof. We'll see. But it's really cool. It comes with the highlighting product, and it also comes with toning, which is really cool. And there's like this cool little online survey you can take to see what color best suits what you want in your hair tone and everything like that. So I came to, I think it's called Cool Toffee, and that's what I'll be using. It also comes with this cool little applicator. It's called the Wishbone. So I'll be using this. And they have recommended getting like clips to section off your hair. I am not a professional by any means, and I just want to do that disclaimer now. I am just a mom trying to dye my hair by myself, and we'll see if this is a good idea or not. The website does say it's best to do like a day or two past your recent shampoo. So I'm going to section it into fours here. Alright, voila. This is how I've sectioned off my hair. Alright, I also just grabbed a bag because I am literally going to wear a bag over my head. Alright, now we are on creating highlights. Section off my hair. Says first, put on the first pair of gloves and squeeze the Lightning Works light cream into the activating bottle. Okie dokie. Okay, it is shaken. Says to also squeeze the nozzle just to get out any unmixed product. So I will do that. Oh yeah, look at that. There's my mixed. Okay. Ta-da. So it says to go ahead and start here. And I'm just going to pull that down. Alright. 2 inches away from your scalp. So I'm going to start about here. And when you're doing your sections, it says to kind of do a diagonal. Alright, I've got my diagonal. And got my first strip. Whew, okay. So it wants you to apply it to your applicator. Voila. And it wants you to start kind of with the diagonal up. So here we go. Go right here and apply. I don't know if you can see that. Alright. So we're going to apply. And then flip it and rub it in. Alright. Moving on. Alright, so I've done a lot of my sections already, but I still have quite a bit of product left. Actually, like right about there. So I'm just going to go back through and kind of maybe frame my face a little bit better and go from there. I'm excited to see how this turns out and kind of nervous. Okay, it has been 40 minutes for me, and I am taking my clips down. I don't know if you can tell, but it's got a good color. It lightened up really nicely. So, it is telling me now that I can discard of my product because I have reached my light that I desired. And now it wants me to rinse my hair thoroughly and put on a bond building treatment. So, I'm going to rinse my hair thoroughly and we'll put this on. We leave this on for 3 minutes and then go from there. Whew. All rinsed up. Alright, this is fun. Now I'm grabbing my bond building cleansing treatment. Everything smells so good with this package. Madison Reed, I am a fan. Generous portions, which I appreciate. Thank you. I've never used any do-it-yourself coloring treatment. I mean, it's been a long time. That I had extra left over. I'm usually needing more because my hair is so long. So, definitely a fan. Okay. So I'm putting in the bonding treatment, cleansing treatment, and I'm going to let this sit in my hair for 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Time to rinse. It says towel dry, then comb your hair. We're on step 4. So towel dry, comb your hair, and then put on your gloves. And it's time to tone. The hair smells really good. It doesn't even smell like it's been color treated. I like that. Huge fan. Okay, so now I am grabbing the Tone Glaze activator and the toning glaze. Cute. It says hello, beautiful. Oh. Guys, I am a huge fan of this. Okay, so there's like a little spiky thing. You gotta spike it. And then again, I am using the Cool Toffee. And we are shaking this for 45 seconds. Okay, it's been 20 minutes and I am set in my toning. Now I'm on step 5 and I am going to rinse my hair until the water runs clear and then wash with the shampoo and conditioner that is included in the kit. So I'm going to go wash my hair and I will see you after for our results. Yay! Alright, I have shampooed and conditioned with Madison Reed shampoo and conditioner, and now it's time for the review. Woo! I will say I just love the way that my hair smells after being highlighted. It does not smell like hair dye, you know, that weird chemically smell. It actually smells really good. Madison Reed did an amazing job making sure that your hair feels good, it feels soft, and looks good. Alright, I'm going to dry my hair and we'll see my results. Oh my gosh, you guys, for a do-it-yourself kit, I am in love. This is amazing. Madison Reed, 2 thumbs up, absolutely. Love, love, love the color. Love how my hair feels. Love that it doesn't smell terrible. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love. What do you guys think? Isn't it pretty? This is natural lighting. Ooh, love it. Alright guys, well thank you so much for sticking in the process with me. Madison Reed, again, 2 thumbs up. Love, love, love this. Do it yourself at home balayage highlighting kit. Super natural looking, super subtle. I don't look like a traffic cone, which I was a little concerned about, but loving it. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.